welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Miss Candy JB. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your love and support and for the fact that you have come. We are currently at 450 subscribers and I'm celebrating. Oh yeah, I'm so happy guys. So in today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing photo shoot makeup tutorial. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. It is completely free. It does not cost you anything. All you need to have is just a Wi-Fi and bundles, either Wi-Fi or you get bundles. Just go onto your YouTube, search for Miss Candy JB, and click the subscribe button. And if you're watching this video, I'm blowing you kisses. Mwah! Thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. Stay tuned and give your girl some thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about my video. I really appreciate it. Kama kawaida, let's go straight to the video. So first up, I'll be priming my face. You know, it's very important to ensure you sorry guys, the entire time I was applying the eyeshadow, I didn't note that it was not recording, so my apologies. So this is purple. I'll be doing the purple, then I'll be doing the two shades, purple and pink. my eye, I'm doing white, shade white. So I've done my eyeliner off camera. So right about now, I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage in the shade. The shade what? I'll leave a description in the description box down below. So ensure to check it out. Full coverage. This is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So I'm just going to apply. And I'm going to blend in with my damp beauty blender.
Mbona hizi zimeshengwa moto?
But ukiwa mtakani tata uache nani, unafaa unakoroga mpaka hivi afu utoe. Ikue warm kabisa. Ndio tumetoka fridge. So with a different blend, I'm going to blend in my concealer. So my contouring palette is this. This is what I use to contour, and this is what I use to my finishing powder. So I've already, as you can see, I've already contoured. So I'm just going to go in with my finishing powder and just tap it in and just blend everything together. Always ensure to also blend your neck, that everything is well blended. So I'm gonna do my eyelashes and lipstick off camera, and then I'm gonna get back to you the finished look. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching. That is it for me today. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I really appreciate it. So I've just gotten here at the studio. We're about to go for the photo shoot. And amazing, as you can see, my makeup is popping. Look at the eye makeup, amazing stuff. So you gotta stay tuned for more amazing videos. Thank you so very much. Mwah. Blowing you kisses all the way from Kenya to all the way wherever you are. Just giving you thanks. Mwah.